Do you know how to make a cold, creamy chocolate protein shake to help support your health, wellness, and weight loss goals? This is a delicious protein packed shake that is quick, easy, nourishing, and satisfying. Enjoy this shake for breakfast or as a pre or post workout meal. Smoothie versus protein shake. The biggest difference between a smoothie and a protein shake is the addition of protein powder. Often, we make fruit smoothies. They don't include very much protein, fiber, or fat. They can definitely be delicious, but they are usually not super satisfying, and you may find yourself hungry shortly after enjoying your smoothie, which can make health and weight loss goals feel very challenging. Chocolate protein shake. A protein shake typically contains ingredients that offer a substantial amount of staying power. For this particular chocolate protein shake, we are using a high quality protein powder, nut butter, plus nutrient rich fruits and vegetables as well. There are also other optional mix-ins that you can choose to increase the protein, fat, and fiber even more. The protein in combination with some healthy fat and fiber helps to keep you feeling satisfied for longer, so you don't find yourself hungry an hour or two after breakfast. Chocolate protein shake for weight loss. Remember, the key to sustainable weight loss is not trying to eat as little as possible. Instead, you want to focus on the abundance of beautiful, delicious, nutritious real food ingredients we have to choose from. This easy, healthy chocolate protein shake is made with simple, wholesome ingredients that help you to feel great, and you might already have most of them in your fridge and pantry. You will need number 1 second frozen banana. Using frozen fruit is best in smoothies to make it thick and creamy. Just be sure to peel the banana before freezing it. If you happen to be someone who does not like bananas in their frozen treats, have no worries, this is an easy fix. Simple swap in an equal amount of frozen mango or frozen avocado. Both of these options will give the same thick, creamy texture without banana. Number 2. Handful baby spinach. Just a handful adds a good amount of nutrients. It may turn your shake an interesting color, but don't worry, you can't taste it. Number 3. 3/4 cup frozen cauliflower. Fills this shake with extra vitamins and minerals and also makes it extra creamy. You won't be able to taste the cauliflower at all, I promise. Number 4. 1 tablespoon almond butter. A bit of almond butter or your favorite nut seed butter adds a bit of protein and healthy fats plus a delicious creaminess to this shake. Use any favorite brand of all natural nut butter, which should be just nuts or just nuts plus salt. 2 scoops of chocolate protein powder. You can use any type of protein powder you like. Most people like the flavor and texture of whey protein powder. Number 6. 1 tablespoon cacao or cacao powder for enhancing the chocolate deliciousness. Number 7. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon for additional flavor boost. Number 8. 1 cup almond milk. Feel free to use any milk you'd like. Unsweetened vanilla almond milk is good, but coconut, cashew, or oat milk would also be great choices. How to make a chocolate protein shake. This is one of the easiest recipes ever. Simply add all of the ingredients to a blender and blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy. You can use a high-speed blender, but any blender should get the job done. Tips for the best protein shake. Protein shakes are really easy to make, but here are some recommendations for a perfect shake every single time. Use frozen fruit. Blending fresh fruit in your shake can make it thin and watery. Frozen fruit is best as it helps keep the shake super cold and thick. Also, keep in mind that ice doesn't blend well and can also make your shake watery, so it's best to skip unless absolutely necessary. Add more milk. Feel free to add more liquid if your shake is too thick or won't fully blend. High power blenders tend to blend frozen fruit much better. So if you have a regular or personal sized blender, you may need to add more milk. Blender setting. For a thick creamy shake, start the blender on low speed, then gradually increase to high to help blend all ingredients. Finally, end with the blender on low speed. Sweetener. If your shake doesn't taste sweet enough for your liking, you can add a 1/2 tablespoon of honey, pure maple syrup, or other sweetener of your choice. Add extra nutrients to this chocolate protein shake. It's easy to add extra vitamins and minerals to any shake or smoothie by adding some nutrient-rich ingredients. Here are some suggestions. Ground flaxseed. Add up to about a tablespoon to give your shake a boost of fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Chia seeds. You can mix in up to a tablespoon of chia seeds to give your shake extra healthy fats and fiber. Hemp seeds. Another seed that will add extra healthy fats, omegas, and minerals. Oats. Rolled or quick oats can be blended in your shake to really give it staying power. You can add up to about 1/3 cup of oats. Avocado. Adding about 1/4 or 1/2 an avocado adds healthy fats and will make your shake extra thick and creamy. What other ingredient do you like in your protein shake? Tell us in the comments section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more information. Please like, share, and comment on our video. Thank you for watching.